talking about indicating your report why machinist would be a fixed factor and not a random factor. So what's fixed factor and what's random factor?
Well, it's fixed because
Yeah.
Is the random factor like a covariance?
Not exactly, no.
Isn't it fixed because you have 3 of them, so it's not random at all? Like, isn't it just one of the 3 of them, so you picked them?
So let's say you have a factor, I'll say a factor, say, and then you have like a multiple levels. And in real life, you cannot really conduct the experiment on all the different levels. If you, let's say, if you have like 100 levels, and then you have to do like 10 replicates of each level, then it's already like 1,000, right? So in a case like this, what you do is you're basically sampling some levels, like what he covered in the last class at the fractional factorial design. So in those cases, you use the random effect. So in those cases, the factors that are selected are called random effect factors. But in our case, we only have 3 levels, and what we are doing is a full factorial design. So we're using all the levels. That's why it's called the fixed effect factor. So can you see the difference there? So if we are not using all the levels of the factor, then we should use the random effect factor. And then if you go to the stat ANUVA and then here again, and actually there's a option here to select the type of each factor. So if you're using all of them, just put it as a fixed. If you're not, then change it to the random.
So it's fixed because there are no other machinists.
Yeah, because we're using all the levels. H. So H is if we're looking at the main effects of the factors. So go to stat, ANUVA, here again, and there's a factorial plus. Click on it. Graphs, main effect, interaction, the main interaction. Main effects, and click OK. And we'll give some plot like this. So the same kind of rule applies to the main effect with the compared to the interaction plot. So if there is some kind of huge difference here, so if there is some kind of huge difference between the levels, see A and B, if there is some kind of significant effect here, but not the B to C, and maybe all the levels on the machinist. So in this case, so what we can say is that the main effects are significantly affecting the factors. But as I said earlier, before, so these plots also can be different depending on your data. So it may show maybe one shows some kind of a main effect, maybe not, maybe both. So any question how to, yeah.
Can you show how to get there again?
Yeah. Go stat, ANUVA, general linear model, and factorial plots. Click it. And the factors you're going to use is already there. And all you need to do is just click OK. need to look at the difference between the dots. Yep.
I don't quite understand the deduction we're getting from the plots. What does the difference 3 actually mean? What is like when you put the
Oh, so this means, so what this slide is talking about to you? That's your question? So these are the mean of the productivity for A and B and C and X, Y, and Z. So if the mean of the A and the B are different, then you can see that there may be some kind of difference between the motion type A and motion type B. But the B and C, they're kind of close together. So maybe you can expect that there's no difference between the B and C. But A to B and the A to C.
how about like around the when they were very close?
Mm-hmm.
It's just like above here. Like on the
This one?
right one,
This one?
maybe. Because the dots are like on the 3 border line. Like
You mean this line here?
When you made that box that was 3 tall, you said they were all pretty close.
Yeah, so this is just interpreting the plot. So you don't maybe so you can say
how's that?
so in this case it's kind of really close. So
Can I say there's a difference now?
so it's up to you. You can say there's a difference because it's out of the box, or you can say even though it's out of box, it's really close to the box borderline. So maybe you can say then there's no difference there.
So if it's out of the box like A to B, that means that it has a main effect for productivity.
Yeah, there is an effect between the A and B. So later